great yellow sun is reflecting in your deep blue eyes. The day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms. You sing la 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 la.
Hi guys, welcome back to Mom and Me. Today I'm going to show you how have I organized my bathroom. So this is our guest bathroom which we do not use on daily basis. So I decided to turn this space into more functional area. This will help me save space in my wardrobe as I have occupied two shelves in my wardrobe to contain all these things. As you can see here, it's a total mess right now and there is no organization going on. I have been thinking since so long to use the cabinet in this bathroom to utilize space as currently they are empty.
You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might be in love. Get rid of all.
Now let me show you how have I organized everything. Here is the sink and vanity area which I will organize today. There are two cabinets next to the mirror, 6 drawers in total at the bottom, 3 on each side, and an undersink cabinet in the middle. Currently, I'm only using this undersink cabinet to store our extra stock of toiletries and cleaning supplies, and rest of the drawers and shelves are empty. So now I will show you how did I organize all the available space. Let's first start with the countertop. On the right of the countertop, I have used this wooden tray to add a style statement to the bathroom. It holds a perfume, a candle, an indoor plant that I have placed in water so does not require much maintenance, a hand cream and a soap. Trays. Not only do they help you stay organized, but they add style and keep things tidy and in one place rather than scattered all over the countertop. On the left of the countertop, I have a soap dispenser and a Kmart 3-drawer wooden organizer. I have kept makeup remover wipes in one drawer, teeth floss and nail clippers in another one, and most important, hair bands in this bottom drawer. I always keep losing my hair bands, and honestly, I did not know I had these many hair bands. I only found out while organizing this bathroom as I found them everywhere. I have already thoroughly cleaned all the drawers and shelves, but I could see some stain marks which I could not take off. It seems wear and tear as this vanity is very old. So I decided to line all the drawers with anti-slip liners. It will avoid further stains and will keep organizers from moving from its place. I got the shelf liners from IKEA a long time ago but never really used it anywhere, and today finally it's time to use them. I cut 6 liners and sticked it to the drawer using blue tack. This will make sure they stay intact and do not move.
Rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. You'll never feel alone as long as you're with me. Get rid of all your sorrows in the summer city. There's no place on earth I would rather be.
I want to use these 3 left drawers for my makeup and hair care products. So in the first drawer, I am using this clear acrylic makeup organizer that has various small compartments to neatly organize my makeup and other accessories. I had this organizer in my wardrobe before, but it occupied a lot of space. I am happy as it perfectly fits this drawer. It felt as if it was made for this drawer. By the way, I only have this much makeup. I'm a minimalist when it comes to makeup and skincare. Less is always more when it comes to skincare.
I found you today.
In the drawer underneath, I have tucked away my hair iron and hair dryer. I use my hair products regularly, and every time I use it, I need these butterfly clips. So I kept this in the same drawer for easy access. In the bottom shelf, I have put my hair care products like hair serum, leave-in conditioner, and heat spray, products that I use for my weekly hair care routine. I have also placed my extra pair of glasses and perfume bottles here. Now let me show you the right side of the drawers. In the first drawer, I have used a basket and this long container on the side to optimize the available space. This drawer is dedicated to my kids' skincare like their body lotion, bubble bath and sunscreen lotion. I have also kept my kids' electric toothbrush and charger here for easy access.
It feels like it's been forever left.
The middle drawer is for my daughter's accessories. I have again used a basket to store all her headbands. I have also used small square and rectangular containers to neatly segregate her hair clips and bangles. Using right size organizers is key to good organization and to maximize the use of available space.
And all day we spin around.
In the bottom drawer, I have used two baskets horizontally and I have put some random items like razors, tongs, physio cream, extra stock of toothbrush, etc. So as you can see, I have made use of baskets of different shapes and sizes and use them vertically and horizontally to use every inch of space available in the drawers. Now I will show you what have I stored in under sink cabinet. I always use this cabinet to store extra stock of toiletries and cleaning items. This is how it looked before. Though it looked okay, I wanted to use baskets to segregate different items like body wash, moisturizer, hand wash, etc. We usually buy these items in bulk when on special. So we always have supply of them, so storing in baskets makes stock take easy. At top shelf, I have kept cleaning items like dish soap, cleaning sprays, garbage bags, etc. On the right, I have kept few candles and our face soap and toothpaste. Behind these blue baskets, I have kept baby wipes and extra shelf liners. Due to proper organization and space utilization, I could store a lot of stuff in these bottom drawers and cabinets. So I did not require much space in these top shelves and I could free them up for future use. Let me show you what it contains. So on left cabinet I have three small shelf. On bottom shelf I have put three glass jars that has Q-tips, safety pins and bobby pins. On shelf above I have kept my bangles in this beautiful bangle holder. I purchased it from Lincraft years ago. I think it was around $10 to $15 if I'm not wrong. It fits perfectly in this cabinet. The top shelf is empty right now, which I can use in future. Now let's look at right cabinet. I have this glass jewelry holder which I bought from Kmart, where I have kept few earrings that have push function and are not danglers. As for my danglers, I have DIYed a jewelry holder which I will show you next. On top of this jewelry holder, I have used a tiny ceramic tray for holding my rings. My kids played and lost most of my rings and I am left with only these two now. This ceramic tray used to hold salt and pepper shakers before, but I always wanted to use it to organize rings as I think it's perfect to hold rings of all size and shapes. The top two shelves are empty as of now. Now on to my favorite part, which is how I DIYed this jewelry holder. I saw this jewelry holder on Etsy and I really liked it, but it was going to cost me $96 plus delivery charges. So I decided to make one for myself and it only costed me $15. If you want one for yourself, here is the detailed steps on how I made it. So here is what you're gonna need. Two pieces of timber, equal size, mine are around 18 inches in length and 2 inches wide. Wood stain of your choice. 15 mm cup hooks. I bought mine in golden color from Bunnings. A wooden dowel to fit in these 15 mm cup hooks and to easily hang your earrings on. Gorilla wall mounting tape. It's heavy duty tape for wood, tiles, etc. I bought it from Bunnings too. To make this project, all I did was I cut a timber piece into two equal pieces. We have timber pieces in our garage which I have used, so it costed me nothing. But you can easily buy it from any hardware store like Bunnings.
The great yellow sun is reflecting.
Once I had cut the timber pieces to the desired length, I stained them with walnut wood stain.
In your deep blue eyes, the day has begun. You spin around, you laugh to yourself. And I see you shine in every color, resting your head in my arms.
My husband helped me to drill some holes into the timber pieces so that I can screw cup hooks in.
You sing la 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 la. My God, I think I might
Now finally time to stick them to the wall. I will be sticking these to my bathroom walls. As I said before, we do not use this bathroom. Plus kids don't enter here much. I want to keep these away from their reach. They love to dress up with my clothes and wear my jewelry and I end up losing them. I will be using Gorilla mounting tape to stick these timber pieces to the wall. This will be permanent, so make sure where you want to stick before going ahead.
There's no place on earth I would rather be. I found you today. It feels like it's been forever, laughing all day. We spin around, your hand reaches mine.
And ta-da! Your own DIY jewelry holder is ready. It hardly took me 2 hours to make and it costed me less than $15 as I had timber and wood stain at home already. All I really bought was cup hooks and wooden dowel and gorilla tape.
Feels like I can do anything. Just give me a mountain to climb.
But doesn't it look beautiful and organized? Please leave your comment in my community tab on my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed my bathroom organization video. Please let me know which other area would you like me to organize next. Leave your comments in my channel's community tab and I shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.